Hi there, I'm Craig Reardon from Prince George Ford. I'm going to take this opportunity to introduce you to the all-electric F-150 Lightning. One of my favorite features of this truck is the new frunk. Since it's all electric, there's no need for an ICE engine up front. With the all-new power frunk, this is actually capable of holding up to 400 pounds. It also is equipped with a 2.4 kilowatt generator up front. In conjunction with the 2.4 kilowatts you have up the front, you have 9.2 kilowatts in the back, including 220 volt, 30 amp. In closing, my name's Craig Reardon. Please feel free to contact me for any information on any of our EVs at Prince George Ford at 250-563-8111. Cheers.